Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see downloaded files in Telegram. So if you downloaded some files on your Telegram account and now you want to check or see all these files on your Telegram page, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to see downloaded files in Telegram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram application. Once you open the Telegram application, then you should have your Telegram page just like this. Go ahead and click on the search button at the top right. Then you should see the menu appears. On the menu, just swipe through until you get to files. Now go ahead and click on that. Once you selected files, then you should see all your downloaded files in Telegram here. So the number of files you have here depends on the number of files you've downloaded on Telegram. So you can see I have a bunch of them. Now search through any of the files you want to see on your Telegram and then click on it. If you have deleted the particular files on your device, just go ahead and click on it again to re-download the file. So let's say this, click on it. If the file is still available, then you'll see the file downloading. You see that? Then once it's downloaded, you can now go ahead and open it. So once downloaded, click on it and should be prompted to choose an option or an application to open the file. If it's a document or an image, once you click on it to download it and then you click on it again, then you'll see the file open just like this. So that is basically how to see downloaded files in Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.